Hi friends, I'm John Laspina, the Carnivore teacher, and I want to talk about how sugar has replaced cigarettes as the #1 cause of getting sick and getting cancer. It used to be cigarette smoking, and the cigarette companies, Philip Morris, all those companies, they took their model of advertising to children, making cigarettes attractive to children so they could start smoking as teenagers and become a lifelong customer so that they have them for life. And then they get sick, and then they get to the pharmaceutical industries upon which they own a lot of the companies now. And it's a perpetual cycle of these companies that were originally tobacco companies. They are now basically sucking us dry because they're getting us addicted. Then we become their customers later in life with pharmaceuticals. Well, a lot of people have stopped smoking, thankfully. Finally, after all these years. If you smoke, you need to stop. That's all there is to it. And it's not easy, I know, but you need to do it. If you vape, you need to stop. Nicotine glycates onto the insides of your endothelial cells in your artery walls just like sugar does. So whether you're getting your nicotine from a cigarette, a cigar, pipe smoke, chewing, or if you're getting the nicotine through a patch or gum or vape, you're getting the glycation. You may not be getting the soot and the tar from the smoke, but you're getting the glycation. Nicotine is very bad. That's why people got heart attacks when they smoked. A lot of people stopped it, and people are still getting sick because what are they doing? They're eating lots of carbohydrates and sugar. They're eating a lot of ultra-processed food. That ultra-processed food is owned by Nabisco and Coca-Cola, Pepsi-Cola, Mandalay, all the hyper-ultra-processed food companies. And guess who owns a lot of those companies now? The cigarette companies. The tobacco companies now own a lot of those companies, and they are using the same model to get to the children with the cereal boxes, and the same model to encourage people. As they did for smoking, they're doing it for eating the junk food through their commercials and their advertising, because they know that once they have a continued customer, then the customer is going to get sick and they're going to need the pharmaceuticals, and they own a lot of the pharmaceutical companies too, or they have stock in those companies. All you have to do is eat the proper human diet, which is the carnivore way of eating, or ketovore. Eat your beef, lamb, pork, poultry, fish, and eggs cooked in animal fats only. You can avoid all of those people and all of those diseases and all of those companies, and you'll remain healthy, and you won't need their services in the pharmaceutical companies. Ladies and gentlemen, eat well. Eat properly so that you can look and feel well and become the optimized version of yourself. Click the thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you like my content. And if you leave a comment, I'll answer it, I promise you. Have a great day.